Do you have a scanned document that needs some changes? Need high-quality Photoshop document retouching and editing? Whether it's editing a document, fixing blurry text, or changing text on old paper, whatever it is, perfection is our top priority. We don't just edit, we reconstruct documents to look as perfect as the original file. Our Photoshop document retouching and editing process emphasizes perfect texture matching and font consistency. We carefully adjust lighting, ensuring that every detail from the scan is clear and professional. From spelling correction to full document edits, we handle your files with the utmost confidentiality and 100% accuracy. So no more messy scans, just crisp, clean, and usable documents. Need expert help for your next project? Experience the best of Photoshop document retouching and editing. Let's make your document stand out. Contact us today to get started. Visit 2ner.com. Or you can contact us directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you.